We'll guide you through how to change the view in Google Sheets so you can customize your workspace to your liking. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Sheets and select the document you want to work on. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on View. This will open a drop-down menu with several options to change how you view your data. If you want to freeze rows or columns to keep them visible while you scroll, go to the Freeze option. You can choose to freeze the first row, the first column, or any specific number of rows or columns. This is especially useful for keeping headers visible. Next, if you want to zoom in or out to get a better view of your data, click on Zoom and select your preferred zoom level, which can make viewing large data sets much easier. Another handy view option is the Grid Lines toggle. If you want a cleaner look without grid lines, simply click on grid lines to hide them. Click again if you want them back. For those working with formulas, turning on Formula Bar from the same View menu can make editing and viewing formulas easier. Just ensure the checkmark is active next to Formula Bar. Lastly, if you need to hide or show comments, click on the Comments option. This is great for collaboration, allowing you to focus on data without distraction or easily view and address feedback. By mastering these view settings, you can greatly enhance your efficiency and comfort while working in Google Sheets. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.